So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hairstyles. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem, Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're going to put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose. Right?
Hello, everybody.
Nerd to be a nerd. Can't just have a bunch of
Welcome
nerds.
to Orbem Order,
Normal, then. So everyone's
stream
a
of the
nerd,
decade.
everyone's a nerd.
Happy
on
Thursday,
down to WordPress
or as I like to
now.
call it here, Friday
Hang out with
Eve.
good old Orbem
I love
Order
Friday
Sandwich.
Eve. It reminds me that Friday's coming.
You know what we do.
Sure, you have to work on Friday,
We party.
but who cares? We all barely work on Friday, right? Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to the party. Indy, thanks for taking the top spot and then leaving. Sounds like something you do. Gotta warm up the fingers with a little bit of flex keys. Make sure we're ready for some hardcore WordPress programming, extreme game development, and maybe some mild chit chat. Hey, I forgot to set the goddamn category on Twitch. Let's do that so that people know what we're doing here. Alright, cool. We good. 5, 4. Okay. Well, here's the game. And here is Orbem Order's new hat. Get yours today. I'm trying to get all the product placements out of the way. Hey, look at that. There it is. And it comes in many colors. So feel free to mix and match. It is embroidered. Very nice. Embroidered digitalization. They did a really good job on the logo. And yeah, it's available. Not that expensive either. A lot of these are pretty damn expensive, if I'm to be honest. Coffee's pretty cheap too. Sounds like a good brand. I haven't bought the coffee yet. I'll have to try it out though. And we can't forget about the flex keys. Do dot do 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 dot dot do. I still need to get some cooler colors, maybe like gray with blue. That's pretty cool. I gotta get these. All right. You can also get this long sleeve Orbem Order sweater. Doesn't come with the tattoo sleeves, but it's nice, lightweight, works pretty well. All right, product placement's over. We did it. We made it through. Look at this botanist office. Looking great. Oh, I forgot what we were doing. We were working on punching. That's what we were doing. I actually, with like laying in bed, and I figured out what I want to do with the punching. There we go. So I was trying to animate it this whole time. You know, I made this whole punching animation. But like, why? It's such a quick movement. I'll just take the fucking this picture right here, export this as a whatever. We'll just do a PNG, I guess. And that'll be right punch. And I'll flip it and I'll be left punch. That simple. Now it doesn't really fix the whole problem we're having though. Because part of the problem is walking and punching. So walk and punch doesn't work. So what I want to do is, if you're walking, regardless if you're walking or not, I want you to punch in the direction that I say punch. And what I'm going to do is hide the image above the legs so that it'll you'll still see the walking legs, and it should be able to punch. Now I didn't really pay attention, but it looks like the hand is actually dangerously close to this part, so walking animation, you might get cut off a little bit. We'll see what it looks like though. Let's go back to no, Let's log in here. Pick up the pieces, put them back together. Let's go to the main character. Let's replace right punch image with not a GIF. Just be a normal ass punch animation right there. And then we got to change the logic a little bit. So you see, now the punch actually still works. Looks like an animation. It's instant. That's just the static image. That's not even the one with the animation anymore. And you see it kind of works as you're walking. But then it kind of gets stuck. So yeah, let's get that working. So the punch logic is in here. So this is moving the engage, or removing the engage. Removing this, adding this back. So I think what I want to do is try to isolate the middle part of the image. I don't know, maybe not. I kind of talked about doing that yesterday, and I don't know. Only problem is it's not going to apply to everybody, and everybody's center point's going to be different. So I can't just hide the top and bottom of him and let the punch overlap. Hey, Copacetic Observer! You jumped on the full YouTube. Now you got your messages up here. Hell yeah. What up, buddy? Nailed it. Yeah. Still trying to nail this down. I don't want a walking punch animation. But I need to punch while I'm walking. And the only way to do that is have his feet separate from his body. But that's so custom, you know? That won't apply to everybody's game. That won't apply to everybody's game. So I really need to be smart, you know? Come up with a better idea of how to handle this. Punching while you're standing? Cool. Works fine. Pop, 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 pop. Though it looks like spamming isn't really good. I don't know why. It's interesting. Spamming is like hiding the image. Must be a lag between punches. What do I do? Can't just be showing a different image. It's not that simple. What do we do? What do we do? Let's try... How I have it right now is good. Anybody could upload a walking animation GIF and it'll work perfectly for both sides. We have a static image. We have a walking image up and down. I haven't done the up yet, but static image. Punching is an image. So what do? We need a reference. I've played games where even when you're running and you do like a punch or something like that, it completely like stops the animation and punches while they're moving still. Like they're not actively walking. But I've also played games where you're actively walking and punching at the same time, right? Because, I mean, in the game, the arms and the legs are separate. It's not just using images or sprites or whatever. It's using like pixel shit. So, in order to animate punching while walking, I'm gonna give it a shot and just see what it looks like if I do swap the image while you're walking. Problem is I'm gonna have to like disable the walking image, which is constantly being checked while you're moving. So that might be a little annoying. Let's see here. Weapon animation. Ooh. Right here. So this is when you punch. And when you punch, problem is this current image map character is getting reset as you continue walking. So I'll have to check if the current image has a has a weapon type, maybe. So I might need to actually add like an extra class in there, letting you know that this is like a fighting animation. Maybe. Let's add that at least. We'll take it from there. So that would be in each of get character images. That's fine. And that goes to right here. So if blah 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 blah. So here's character icon. So what I need to do is add another class. If this is fight animation, right? And then the fight animation. Ooh. Can I? Oh, that's direction. So that's just the type. Yeah. So we'll do this. Fight animation equals if direction. Hold on. It's got to be inside the for each. Chill, brah. All right. The fight animation is if direction label. Stir eye pose. Oh. So we can do -1. Hey, Deck Dude, how's it going, man? Welcome to the party. Does not equal stir eye pose. No, wait. What am I trying to do here? I'm looking for a specific thing, right punching. And now I'm gonna add a class. Okay. So if I guess we can say punch. Punch in direction label. Right? If I spell that right? Okay, cool. So if that doesn't equal that, then it's going to be fight image. How about that? Otherwise, nothing. See if that works. Okay, let's go to the last one. Punch. It did not work. Oh, that's the ID. Yeah, right punch. MC right punch. Punch is definitely in there. Is stir eye pose... Is it... I thought stir eye pose returns... -1. Oh, false. Easier. Adoy. Stir eye pose, stir eye pose. You ain't doing what I thought you did. Still not working. The fuck. So if false does not equal that, with punch. Wait, it's needle first, right? Or the haystack first? Thank you, Deck Dude. Funny that you mentioned this hat. We haven't even talked about this yet, except for we have. Get it. Comes in so many colors. You want to go hunting? Or Mortar's there with you. Is stir eye pose... What's first? Haystack's first. Nah, I'm a fucking idiot, that's why. Haystack. I always get those mixed up. Because sometimes it is needle first. I think in like array search and shit. Needles first. Hunter orange? I don't think so. Nah, it's red. It's pretty bright red, though. It'll definitely work. People will see you. You won't have to worry about getting shot. Still not working, you little bitch. What the hell? What's going on here? Hold on. That punch is definitely in there. Add that. Am I doing that right? Yeah. Class. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. I'm doing that right. Is this the right images, actually? I didn't think about that. Yeah, this is main character info. Inside the class. And this is me, right? Oh shit, this isn't the right one. Ah, god damn it. I'm doing it on the wrong thing. Hold up. Wait a minute. Put a little love in it. It's over here. I'm being dumb. It's in the actual template. Fuck. I love being stupid. Okay, so that's default map. Where are my images? My images are... Where are they? We have bullshit, bullshit. Where's my for each? Oh, it's right here. Larshi blows. We gotta put it here. There we go. And then fight animation will go into here. Perfecto. So I'll just steal this bitch. And instead of... wait, what? Oh. And then we'll do fight animation. Fight animation. Okay, let's try that out. Refresh. It's got to be orange. Okay. Yeah, I don't even think... I just let it use all the colors that were available. There we go. Fight image, baby. Woo! Nailed it. Okay. So now that we know which image is a fight image... I forgot why we were doing that in the first place. We were doing that because of this. So... if it's a fight image... I want to not make it go away until I want it to go away. That's what it is. So now we need to go to the walking logic. And where do I do the image swapping? I do that... not here. I do that in here, in the interval. Scroll into view, no. This is just changing where I am. I'm doing it in here. These are for static. Right, this is the static shit. This is when I stop walking. That means... where am I doing the normal images? I guess we could do this and find it. There's only so many. Oh. Is this where I do it? No, I thought... no, I added this. Block movement... no... this is after cutscene. No. Direct character. This seems possibly right. Yeah, here we go. This is it. Right? No, no, no. Yeah, this is the image swapping. Okay. So, direct character is getting hit within this move interval. Oh shit, this is for automatic moving, isn't it? Damn it. Okay, that's not where it is either. What is this? This is for moving the character. But this is for auto movement, right? This is for changing character static. Love having logic that I don't remember. Okay. We got this, guys. We'll get this someday. Remember. Remember. Yeah, this is all auto direction shit. Keep going. No. 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 Okay, it's got to be in here. So it's box. Am I switching images in box? Like this is the image. And then we're doing box shit. Face to face. Tear off your armor. I guess I need to know which direction I'm going, so... where did I fucking add that? No, this is all weapon shit. Can character, blah blah blah. So it's gotta be in here. Oh, this is where it is. It's right here. Right. Okay, so this is literally removing engage from the current one and then adding it to the new image. Okay, got it, right here. So, the whole point of this is I need to now check if it is a fighting animation. What's the game genre? It is RPG fantasy, sci-fi. Just like the book series. Vajra. So it's based off of this. This is my sci-fi fantasy novel series. So it's gonna be sci-fi fantasy. Same shit. You could see it starts in a very high class office where I got fired. So all my boxes are here, and that's my office. This is a different scientist's office here. Yeah. But now we're trying to work on punching. Because I already had punching working, but there was no animation to the punching. So now I'm trying to get it to look like you're punching and not just like float a fist. A random fist floating around your body. So we're getting there. Right now I'm trying to make it so when you walk, I can still replace the image with the punch animation. Even while you're walking, because right now walking kind of overtakes it before it has a chance to really show that you punched. Can I make 3D games? No. I'm a website programmer. That's why I'm building this in WordPress. Specifically, I'm a WordPress programmer. I've been doing it for 16 years. Worked for Disney, Universal, Warner Brothers, worked for all the studios, and I've been doing this for a long time. So it's just it's the format I know the best. And my website, orbem.com, where you can buy this great hat that I'm wearing. This is all in WordPress. So I'm building the game so you can play it on my website, which technically you can right now. Ooh, actually, I gotta change the damn forwarding. Let me change... I gotta change my DNS forwarding for orbem.games. Because I have not done that yet. And it still goes to the old domain name. Okay, where'd I go? My products. Yeah, I mean I can work in 3JS. What is it? 3DJS? What is it? 3JS? Oh shit. 3JS. Yeah, there you go. I can work in this a little bit. But I'm probably gonna bring that in as like for mini games or some sort of extra shit. But what the fuck? Whirls. Wow, I bought some really stupid domains, didn't I? Wait, did I buy Get WP Work? What? I guess I did. Why haven't I forwarded that yet? This is a pretty good domain name. I don't remember buying it though. Welp. Let's forward this to the website at least. You're all in one inbox. Yeah, I don't remember buying this. It's a good domain name. How the fuck do I go into my DNS though? Yeah, I think I totally bought this. Huh. Your book's coming along? Oh, sweet, Doc, dude. Yeah, I was wondering about that. GetWPWork.com. That's great. Oh yeah, I do. I own that. I bought that. Oh, it expires next year. Did you get chapter 1 done so I can actually read it? So I can see the origin of everything? Forwarding. Here we go. Add forwarding. I'm going to orbemortar.com. Perfectos. Save. Alright, good. I don't know why I forgot to forward that. You're almost done with 4. Then, why? Stop doing later chapters. You make no sense. You know that doesn't make sense. Orbem.games. We have Orbem.store and Orbem.shop. Dude, I bought a lot of domain names. I just get a hair at my butt and I just buy it. And don't forget you can get flex keys at flexkeys.shop. So dumb. Okay, here it is. Orbem.games. Let's change the forwarding on this one to Escape to Orbem. That's the final game name. Escape to Orbem. There we go. Perfect. That should update soon. So yeah, if you want to play the game, you can. I mean, I only have this level right now that has 0 functionality at the moment. You can kind of walk into plants and break them right now for points. As you can see, I can walk into this big plant and it breaks. I barely walked into it too, so good functionality. And now I have 2 points. Fun. I did fix phasing through walls though. I am very happy we did that yesterday. Okay, back to this shit. So we got, yeah. So I want to do a general check on all this. I think I can just do a check up here, actually. So, where is it? Box. So, if true equals box.class list dot, oh no, let's do false. Include, I don't know, contains. Which one is it? Fight animation? Is that what I put? That sounds right. Then we'll go through this switch case of image swapping. Alright, let's try it. Ads. Let's go. Can you see it? Can the camera see it? No? No? Come on. There we go. Alright, let's try it out. So, now what should happen is when I turn on the fight animation, it should stay on until I make it go away. So walking shouldn't get in the way. So punching works fine. Punching the other way works fine. But if I walk... Okay. I don't think I did anything, did it? Doesn't seem like it did anything, did it? Let's double check. Maybe I did I get the wrong one? No, that's correct. Fight animation? That is probably not the class name. That's what I called the variable. Fight image. God damn it. Why didn't you guys tell me I got the class name wrong? I always get the class name wrong. That's not even a question. So, don't worry. Don't beat yourselves up about it. I don't ever remember the class names that I use. Fight, fight. There we go. Let's clean this up a little bit. Okay, this is gonna work now. Dak Dude's back. Hey, Dak Dude, subscribe, dude. So you don't get ads. That's the only way. Don't you have a Prime account you can steal? Okay. Here we go. It's gonna work. Punching works. Walking. Oh, yeah. Are you kidding me? I'm fine with that. There's a little stutter step. It's not bad. Bop, 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 bop. I think that's fine. You don't have a debit card. Yeah, okay. That's a problem. What do you think? The walking and punching looks fine, huh? It's a little stutter step. That's completely fine. I'm completely fine with that. I think that solves it. I don't even have to worry about it now. Cool, well let's make the other one. Oh shit. Why do they still walk? Still a little weird. Okay, I'm going to make the other way now. Let's just go to image location, flip canvas. And now we have punch left. I'm gonna have to add all the fields too for that. New avatar. Graham. Left. Punch. And then we need the walking down thing. So let's actually flip this back. Oh shit. What did I do? Okay, whatever, that works. We'll leave this alone for now. And we need let's see if we can find Graham punching. No, not punching. Graham walking down. What? Here it is, walking down. Don't worry, it's your time. How do you punch down? To be honest, I don't really know how to make him punch down. It's more like he's punching at the screen, right? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I know it doesn't matter. You'll still hit whatever's under you a little bit. Maybe I kick? Do I make him kick instead? But I made the weapon named Fist, so kicking wouldn't make sense. I could change it to what, like melee or something. That's pretty standard. Do we kick? I think we're gonna have to kick. So kicking's gonna look funny when you're walking down. Okay. I think we're gonna have to kick. So let's do that. First off, last time I had to make this way smaller. Let's go ahead and save this as Graham kick down. I could definitely punch up. That won't be a problem. Shit, so maybe I shouldn't do kick. Because I'm going to be punching in every other direction other than down. Whatever. Well, let's try making him look like he's punching down. I don't know. It might work. It might work. I don't even know what that is. Okay, that's fine. So this is walking down. Let's get rid of all the animations that currently exist. Get... Oh, shit. Rid of you. Get rid of you. And we will turn you into a punch. So, to do that, we are going to go to his right arm. Here. We are going to start, and then we are going to fucking, I don't know, man. Extend it down or something. It's got to go in a little bit too. A little bit like that. And then extend. Kind of just like he's yanking his chain a little bit. Guess we could do something like that. Is that punch? Does this read punch? Let's try it. Punch, 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 punch. Yeah? Does that look like a punch? Are you getting punch from this? It's a little inappropriate looking. I like his blank stare when he does it. Maybe I shouldn't go down so much. Maybe I should like come up a little bit. Like it should be more like up and in. Right? I wonder if I can make it look like his fist is getting bigger too. Oh shit. We lost YouTube Shorts live feed. Can I skew your fist bigger? Oh, there we go. Now he's coming at you. That looks ridiculous. This is great. Ready? Punch, punch, punch. Yeah, he's punching you in the face. Could be worse. Alright, let's try that. Punch down. I am punching you. Oh yeah, we're gonna make this PNG. There you go, punch down. Bonk. Alright, let's add the new fields. These are gonna be some additional metabox fields. So we have right punch. We're gonna have left punch. Left punch. We're gonna have down punch. Down punch. And technically we're gonna have up punch, but I don't have up yet, so we'll just whatever. Add that later. And then let's go ahead and go to the metabox class and add it for registration. We got right punch. We're gonna add left punch. I know this is not very dry of me, but we're gonna do code cleanup one day. Left. Oh no. Down punch. And up punch. Cool. Now that we have that, it should show up in the list of images now. And it has punch in the name, so it should have the fight animation class name, or fight image class name. Alright, let's refresh. Add them, and then just make sure it works, and then we'll push this up to production and add it. And I gotta style the actual like hitbox too a little bit, so that we can use it. Because right now it's unusable. So let's do up punch. For up punch, we're just gonna do it down punch. That's what I've been doing. Down punch, left punch. Let's add all of these right now. We're gonna have right punch. Okay, so we're gonna use down punch for this one. And we're gonna use down punch for this one. And we're gonna use left punch for this one. Grand. Great. Except for I hard-coded it to right. So we need to now define the direction that we are going. I think I already do that. Let's double check that actually. Direction. I think I have a global var for that, don't I? I do not. Oh, I gotta get rid of these two. I don't need these anymore. Huh. So I know I don't have direction. I really need one. So we'll just do current direction. And just have it set at all times. We'll always start down. That way I can do something with the current character direction. That being said, we need to go to right. Move direction right. Okay, here we go. Set attribute direction. See, I'm setting the attribute of the weapon. Oh, I already have a class too. I guess I don't need to do that. I'm already doing this everywhere else. I should be able to tell. I'll check the map char class. Wait, what was map char? What is map char? Map char is... Map char is the person. Okay, so I should be able to actually do this. Alright, I don't need that. I don't need you. But I do need to figure this out. So, I'm hard coding right somewhere. Where am I doing that? Direction, here we go. So the direction will come from... Oh, I can get it from map weapon. Weapon... What do I do? I think it's like direction or something. I forget what the data... Is it... Is this it? It's data direction. Data set direction. Nice. That should twerk. That should twerk. Yeah. I think that's good. Alright. Let's see if we can punch right. Nope. Left did not work. What do we got here? Property of null. It didn't like, what? Hold up. Let's make sure the data direction is actually changing. I mean, it obviously did. Oops, my bad. Data direction for weapon. Here we go. Data direction is down, left, right, up. Oh, top. Shit. I gotta make sure top is swapped to up. Top equals up. Otherwise, weapon data set. Direction. Cool. Alright, so technically MC whatever should work. But I'm guessing that weapon animation for some reason isn't being found. Oh, let's check that I have all my images. That might be why. We have fight image right punch. Okay. It looks like the images aren't showing up. That's why it's not working. Because I forgot to do something. What did I do? Here's all the images. Direction images. Get map info. Character. Oh, I didn't add it to here. 'Cause I'm smart. Don't ever forget how smart I am. Left punch. Alright, and then we'll do down punch, and then we'll do up punch. You get it, IDE. You get me so well. And that's PHP, so I don't need to do that. Okay, right punch, left punch, right, left. Up. Oh, it didn't work. Down, down. I like down punch. Down, down, down. Okay, that's good. What happened to up punch? Character images, up punch. Did I not call it up punch? Even though I said I was going to do that? Up punch. Up punch. And then I switched. If it's top, that direction is up. Otherwise, do that. Okay, well, yeah, it seems like it should work. Did I not get the image? Why is it still walking? That's really weird. The static thing isn't working. Might be because of my logic I added. Static up. Punch. Down. Punch up. MC up punch. Okay. Seems like it's working. And yet, 'tis not. Alright, let's figure out why. Up is always screwy. Maybe this isn't working, this logic I'm trying. Should work though. Console don't want direction. Let's go, bitches. Come on. Right, left, down, up. Up, up, up. Punch, punch. Okay, so it works like this, but it doesn't work when I walk. Oh, what the fuck? Did I not compile? What the hell? I don't know. Don't ask questions. It worked. Alright, forget it. It worked. Yeah, let's see if we can fix this static thing though. So where is my fight image shit? Okay, it's right here. So what's happening is, I think, no, because this isn't what controls the static replace. It's the key up. which would be separate from this shit. Let's just look for static. Static images. So we have key up. On key up, we need, what's going on here? We're checking the key, and the current image is this, which is a walking image. And if current character auto, yeah, this is just someone they stop walking. And then we'll get the static version, which is basically the exact same thing, minus the static. And then we'll take the current one, we'll get rid of that. So my guess is the static version isn't there, maybe? Which is weird, I should have a static version of everything. Alright, Duck Dude, thanks for jumping on, man. Yeah, why are you still engaged? I definitely stopped. I did a key up on you.
Prod1 Shy just followed.
What up, Prod1 F1 Shy? How's it going, man? How you doing? Oh, it's Prod Fishy. I got it. Yeah, there you go. What up, Prod Fishy? How you doing, bud? Thanks for jumping on and seeing this WordPress madness. MC up. Oh, shit, I didn't even think about that. MC up doesn't have a static? Yeah, it does. MC up static, right? Oh, MC static up. Yeah, it's right here. So this should have been switched out when I stopped. Because I go up. I mean, it works, but for some reason when I punch... maybe it's just when I'm like going to the console log. No, see, look at it. It just did it. It must be not switching quick enough. We pressed ASL because that chat thingy isn't working, so I'm taking a break. Going on Twitch. Hell yeah. Sounds good to me. Chat thingy isn't working. Oh, hell yeah. That's awesome. Bummer. Ooh. Social media app, like based off of an like a normal social media network, or like you're making your own social media yourself? Like, is it like a Facebook social media app or something? Doing your own thing. We can always use another social media. Based off MySpace, shut up. Omelet Arcade? Omelet Arcade. I don't know if I do. The fuck is Omelet Arcade? What's next? Omelet Arcade shut down a year ago. Oh, okay, cool. It was like a Twitch kind of. So you're doing like a game-based. Hey, you gotta bring MySpace back, man. That's how I got started in my shit. It was Mulholland Fall when we got started in MySpace. You know, that's how I did all my bands. Wait. No, this was one of my newer bands that's playing right now. That wasn't the one that was on MySpace. I got a lot of business though. I was a professional piercer for about 10 years, and back when I was younger, MySpace, I was getting a lot of piercing business there. So I welcome your new age omelet space. What are you gonna call it? What's the social network going to be named. Okay, hold on. So if I hold it, click, it's fine. But if I hold... Wow. It's like you have to let go during the half a millisecond. Interesting. Okay. I can fix that. You're going to add an app currency too. Oh shit. And you can like boost posts and then there will be a leaderboard. And hell yeah. That's awesome. I was building a social network a while back called On Deck. It was basically like, think of, you know, on Google when you search a business and it tells you like their hours of operation. It was basically like a place where businesses could give you like real-time hours of operation, mostly for like tattoo artists and nail salon artists. People that didn't technically have like their own business, it would have worked really well for, because you can be like, hey, I'm working. So it'd help a lot for walk-ins and getting exposure for those businesses. And you could just basically click on deck, you know. It was ONDEC. But yeah. Likely. Ooh, that's pretty good. Likely. Yeah, but there was a whole social network aspect to it, you know, accounts, you can friend people and blah 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 blah. I did it all in WordPress too. So that was difficult. I didn't know as much in programming back then too, so likely. A likely story. Was it like.ly? It's probably going to be a pretty expensive domain name. Well, that looks like it is something. No, yeah, I know it's not. I'm just trying to see if I can swipe your domain real quick. Just kidding. I'd never. If I bought it, I'd give it to you. I have a lot of domain names. Oh, you son of a bitch. Not for sale, my ass. Everything's for sale. I don't think .y is a thing. Likely.io. Yeah, that's also something. For the OG, like li. Ooh, yeah, 3 Ys would help. Likely.com. Perfect. You can get that one easy. What if it's just 2 Ys? No, likely. No, it's for sale. Too expensive. Oh, look, they even have a little logo. Likely. Clever business names. I agree, that is a clever business name. What about, likely? Aw, man. This looks like it will fuck me up. It's unsafe. That was a good one, though. I like that. Licely. Oh, that's a Chinese website. Ooh, is that cereal? No, it's not. That's a materials site. That makes sense. Oh, here we go. Here's another one. Likely. Damn it. People are smart, man. They're on this. What about likely? Oh, whoops. I didn't even make that the domain. Likely. Okay. That's kind of cool. LYQE. What if it's just LYQ? Ooh, LYQLY? I'm liking it. That's a pretty good one. You could probably get IO too, yeah. Is it... What about like.ly? No way. Hold on. I mean, that's going to be expensive though. Let's check it out. I already just forwarded one of my domains. Orbem.games. The fuck? Okay. Like.ly. Oh, whoops. Like... Lee. It is unavailable. What about with the likely? You need a landing page for the website though? Yeah, definitely. You definitely need a website. Where are they going to download the app, you know? How are people going to search you on Google? You know what I mean? What? That's taken too? But I searched it and it wasn't. Alright, what about this? Likely.com. Oh my god. I'm telling you, you gotta get Likely. LYQELY.com. That's a good name. You can, it's phonetic. It looks cool. You could do something cool with the Q. You could even do like a capital Q, because it's kind of in the middle. I like it. I'm likely to buy this if you don't. Alright, but hey, don't go anywhere, Prodfishy. You're gonna like this. You're likely gonna like this. This is a fan favorite. BD Turtle knows it. Wait, what? Stop domain squatting? It's unethical. I'm not domain squatting. I use all my domains. How dare you accuse me of domain squatting? I'm a website programmer. Of course I'm going to build a website on all of them. All right. Well, without being harassed for domain squatting, check this out. Enjoy. All right. Hey, cheers, everybody. Happy Friday's Eve. Ah, there's an ad. We lost Prodfishy. Yeah, and I was just kidding, ANS. I actually appreciate you saying don't domain squat. I hate people that do that shit. I own a few domains that I want to use, like Jalab.io. It's like a mixture between collab and jam. And I got my buddy Indy, who comes on stream a lot. He's working on a prototype for it. Right now I just forwarded it to my domain name. But he's got this jalab.vercel thing going on right now. I thought it was a good domain name. And then I just noticed that I forgot that I bought getwpwork.com. That's a pretty good domain name. I'm also forwarding that right now. But hey, get wpwork.com. Let's go. Yes, Prodfishy. Cheers. Happy Friday Eve. Ugh. Happy it's Friday tomorrow. That's for damn sure. And let us enjoy this fine evening. Still love it. Likely. It's gonna be a hit. Who am I? What do I do? I am Orbem Order, you know? Can you see the hat? In fact, if you want to get this hat, go to orbemortar.com and buy it right now. No, I'm a website programmer. I'm a WordPress programmer. I'm building a WordPress game engine. And specifically to build my RPG video game based off my sci-fi fantasy book series, which is being hidden by stuff right now. Hell yeah. Prodfishy. Likely. That's fantastic. Remember that spelling. No one's going to take that. Yeah, it's coming out pretty good. I've been building it for a long time. The book series is the Harmonian Chronicles. It's right here. Book 1 and Book 2 are on Amazon. But Book 3 is taking a while because I want to finish the demo for the first game, which I am currently building on the production site. You could play this right now. I mean, you can't do anything but break plants right now, and punching doesn't work yet. That's what I'm working on right now. Punch, 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 punch. But yeah, you could sign up and play if you want. It's free. All you have to do is promise me that you'll buy the books. And that is a verbal promise. Yeah, that's what I do. Well, it looks like my shit's like... Oh, I'm not live, that's why. Skip to live. There we go. Now I'm live. You don't like WordPress that much? Yeah. Yeah, well, there's a lot of React in here. This whole editor is Gutenberg. This is all React based. So like for cutscenes, I had to develop a custom block for talking. So like in here, oh, that's a video cutscene. But in talking cutscenes like this one, this is a custom Gutenberg block where you can like upload an MP3 file and select a character, and it all gets rendered using React code. So I can show you that. It's right in here. Right here, paragraph MP3 block. So this is all React. So I mean, I have to work in React hand in hand in WordPress development a lot. And most WordPress sites these days are they're all headless. So they're all Next.js, TypeScript, front ends. And WordPress is just kind of the editor that makes it easier for people to create content and organize users and stuff. So there's something to like for everybody in WordPress. And when you're working for companies like me, like Disney and Universal and Investors.com, Beachbodies, all these giant corporations, they're not doing normal WordPress shit ever. It's always some new integration or some bullshit, so yeah. Okay, so the problem is when you're walking and you let go during the half a millisecond that it is changing back to the walking animation. And it's changing back to the walking animation instead of static. So, that being said, I need to either switch to static, or I need to allow the static function to work. That swaps you back, because this is supposed to swap you back, and this is during key up. So what I could do is check. Can you hack the game? Probably. It's just a bunch of vanilla JavaScript and CSS. You could just go in to the HTML and give yourself all the points. You know what I mean? Why not? And they're all REST API endpoints. I mean, they're using application passwords, so you can't just hit the API whenever you want, but you could definitely hack the game. Indy, who comes on stream a lot, he's a smart kid. He's definitely screwed up my website a few times. Good testing. My personal hacker one. Yep. Get a job as a full stack dev. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's fun. All WordPress programmers are full stack devs. And I don't like the term, but you gotta call yourself that just to get jobs. But I've been doing website programming for 20 years, so I've never learned anything I wasn't going to get paid to do, but I've just by osmosis, working for so many companies, you basically gain full stack knowledge. Doing it for 2? Hell yeah, gotta start somewhere. This is a great time to start too. You know, we're in this renaissance of AI and Next.js and Tailwind and TypeScript and all these like kind of standards and these Postgres flat databases and stuff. AWS ecosystems and whatnot. You're a crit analyst. Half-baked but getting into the hacking scene? Hell yeah. That's great. So you're good with numbers, eh? Yeah, I kind of like the offensive fucking hacker shit, you know, or defensive hacking. I forget what it's called. It's interesting. I've worked for companies where they have like a whole HackerOne system, and you know, you just get people making money, finding little things on your website, and it's big. There you go, cyber incident response. Oh, very nice. So you're part of like the security team for your company? That's pretty cool. Bug bounties. Yeah, that's what it is. Bug bounties. The power of bug bounties. Oh wait, is there a way to tell if if I'm not moving? Maybe that's how I do it. I'll just do that. Where's my static logic? Key up. I'll just add a fucking static check. And if it's static, then instead of switching to walking, I'll switch back and switch it with the static. Hell yes. Yeah, WordPress is notoriously has a lot of holes, but it's been around for fucking ever, right? 20 years, so it's patched a lot of things. A lot of holes have been found. The problem is that anybody can create a plugin. I mean, not anybody can get it submitted, you know, to the WordPress directory. I have about 8 plugins right now that I author. You can see me in the WordPress.org/plugins. Is that what it is? Yeah. And no. Let's just look up the plugins. So I'm right here. Oh, Scott Storbloom. I forgot my own name. Yeah, so some of them have over, what is this? The Google Analytics has over 100,000, and I mean, it's massive. So if you want a Google Analytics plugin on WordPress, I'm supporting it, and it's actually Google Analytics too. They didn't like it, so we had to switch the actual title to share the stats bar for Google Analytics, but they couldn't take our URL away, so you can't take everything. Okay. Yeah, I like that idea. So we're gonna set it during the static swatch right here. So if static version, and then let's set it to whatever, me. Who am I? Map char. Data set. Just another data set. We'll do static equals true. Why not? Else, I guess we'll just do not. Oh no, it has to be. I need to set this to false as well, though. Wait, why is map char not available? It's right up here. Oh, it's inside of a set timeout. Welp. That doesn't help me. No, this is the coordinates, that's why. Okay. Huh. No, this is actually better. Alright. Well. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to redefine him again. Alright. Fuck dry. Being dry is boring. Well, I'll set it up here. Why not? And then I'll reset it down here separately. Whatever. So yeah, this is key up. Oh no, I already set it up here. What the fuck? Then why do I even need it? What? I'm setting it 3 times now because it's part of a key up? That's unnecessary. Oh no, that's the one I just set. I'm dumb. Hey, Seashell, what up, buddy? No raid? Where you been? How's Chronicles of Orbem? Hey, Yusef. What's going on? Welcome to the YouTube Shorts live feed. You been in LA? What the hell? I move away from LA and you immediately go there? It's nice to get a little bit of break from the game. You're gonna come back and just like have a million ideas. You're moving to LA? No way. What happened to Michigan, dude? You don't like me? That's messed up. Where are you moving? Oklahoma. Oh. Wait, what? You're moving to Oklahoma? Are you moving? Hold on. Stop just posting random states. You're in Oklahoma. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, was that a typo? Wait, is LA? Oh, no, Oklahoma. That's not the. Oh, you're taking a job in LA. Oh, well, yeah, because they. Wait, like a JPL? Where? That's the only rocket scientist place I know near Valencia. Or is it just some fucking random company, aerospace company? Oh, Blue Origin. Same thing. Okay. Where's the Blue Origin offices? In LA. Valencia is great, by the way. It's good price. Woodland Hills, okay. Yeah, good price, and you get to be right next to Magic Mountain, dude. Hanging out all the time. They have 23 offices. Nice. That's sick. That's really cool, man. Congrats. And you're there at the perfect time. All the houses are burned down. You get to sneak right in and not get home insurance. I'm just being a bummer. I was really happy to get out right before that happened. Cool, man. Yeah, Valencia's great. That's where my sister-in-law was living for the longest time too, with her boyfriend. And yeah, I used to go there all the time. I mean, I grew up there, so we would go to Magic Mountain every summer a million times. So Valencia was cool. A lot of space. Always hotter than everywhere else because it's very deserty, but massive houses. A lot of cookie cutter houses, but just like they have the space. And really nice areas. Saugus and Santa Clarita and all those places around there are awesome. So you ask me if you need any suggestions. I highly suggest constantly going to In-N-Out. Yeah. Let's go. Prime subscription. Thanks, man. Fantastic. You like In-N-Out? Well, you better love it. Because you're going to be living really close to an In-N-Out. You gonna be live streaming? Yeah, just moving is a fucking nightmare, especially across the country. Yep. Yes, exactly. So In-N-Out food, they raise their prices, but they're still pretty cheap. Fantastic. That's cool, man. Yeah, you're gonna have fun. I wish I would have lived in another state and then moved to LA. So jaded, you know what I mean? Growing up in Hollywood and shit, it was just, you know, it's too much to live there for 30 years, you know, growing up. But like if I could have discovered LA and I grew up in the Midwest or whatever, it would have been a lot different. Yeah, that's exciting. And, you know, I know you've been with Blue Origin for a while, but job opportunities are not scarce. I mean, they have their own Silicon Valley down there. Where is it? West LA? That's where I was. When I was at investors.com, it was like the little Silicon Valley of LA. And that's where the building was. And they got a lot of shit. Oh, shit. That didn't have a semicolon. So I'm setting that to true on the map char. and now I need to check if it's true, then don't switch back to the normal image. What was I? Fight image. There we go. Yeah, this is if you're actively walking. Oh, it needs to be during the image switch back. Yeah, where's the 500? Is this it? No, it's for mana. I like to use 500 milliseconds. Bo's moving me out there, so I think I'm stuck for a year. Yeah. That makes sense. Just make sure you get the right fucking moving company. Don't get a fucking proxy company that hires another company to move your shit, like I did. Worst decision I ever made. It literally did. I mean, nobody was accountable for anything. It's like, oh no, it's their fault. Oh no, it's the trucking company's fault. Oh no, it's, you know what I mean? They use one world ban lines. Oh, okay, cool. Nice, nice. Good. I didn't know anything, so that's really cool that at least you have some experience. That's much better. Oh, here we go. So what I need to do is switch what current map character is to the static version if it's true. So that being said, on key up, map char. Oh, I should probably make a map char. Looks like I don't have that. How dare I? I need map chars everywhere. And then we'll just use map char for this instead of document. Why not? Map char for this too. Map char, map char. A lot of surprises. Yeah, I bet. We had to move our 3 dogs too and our car because we just bought a new Wrangler for Michigan, but they didn't have the one we wanted in Michigan, so we were worried. So we just bought it in California and we literally had somebody drive our car with our dogs to Michigan for us, and we all flew. And they ended up cracking our windshield. Of course, they didn't think it was their fault, but whatever. If true equals map char dot data set dot, what did I call it? Static. Then we'll take the current map character and we will take the SRC and replace MC. Oh no, not the SRC, the ID. And switch the MC with MC static. I think that's it. No, that makes no sense. No, that makes no sense. I need to grab. Yeah. Yeah. Pay no attention to me. I'm talking to myself in my head. So current image map ID. Map character ID equals that. Document dot get element by ID and that. There we go. Nightmare. I'm a nightmare. Yeah. Got downsize a lot. Probably gonna get a cozy house. Yeah. Yeah, I can imagine. We went the opposite. Went from a 11, 1,200 square foot house to a like 6,000 square foot house. So we had to upsize, which comes with a lot of problems. Namely, my wife wanting to fill every room with stuff. And that's a problem. Okay, let's try this out. I think it's going to work. I think what's going to happen is it will switch it with the static image instead of the walking image, like my code should do. Like I think my code should do. So walking, punching doesn't work anymore. I broke it. I spelled this wrong. Get element by ID. Did I spell that wrong? Mapchar. Mapchar. Wait, is it elements? Oh, I think it's elements. No, it's not. What the fuck? How am I not getting that right? Whatever. Fuck you. Of course, like, it should be fine, but okay. Should be fine. Yeah, I'm getting the current one. Yeah, it should work. Yeah. It will be awesome. Very stoked for you. Punch. Punch. No, still not working. What did I do? What did I do? Adding it. Okay, so current map character is not working. Am I fucking it up? I mean, this should be right. This is the ID of the correct one, and I'm just changing it to static if static is true. Ooh. Which song? Wait, the pretty song that I made? Ooh, I want to hear it. Oh, pretty song with guitar. Hell yeah. All right. We're going to debut the pretty song with guitar with a very talented seashell rocket scientist slash rock star. Ooh, I like it. You waited for me? Sabson! Simplest tool for making a static website. Blog portfolio. I'm not a web dev and there's free tools. I have WordPress on hosting, but buggy. Nah, WordPress is your best bet, Sabson. It is the best tool for you. Oh shit. I switched the music. Hold on. You should jump into, Sabson, jump into, Discord. Talk to me. I'll help you out with your WordPress problems. But that's the best thing you can do, man. I love it, Seashell. It makes me happy. Yes. Yeah, if you want the Discord link, it's on orbemortar.com. It's right here on the homepage. Join the Discord. orbemortar.com. Same as my name. It's awesome. Albert Williams! No one's ever late to the party. The party's ongoing for the next 40 minutes or so. Building a WordPress game engine so I can build this, not this hat, but I'm building this RPG video game based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel, The Harmonian Chronicles. Book 1's Orbem, Book 2's Miropelia. I'm writing Book 3 right now. There's going to be 4. But yeah, the game is just a sci-fi fantasy RPG. Pixel art RPG. All in WordPress. That was great, man. That made me happy. Hey, Sabo, he's in Discord. Yeah, man, hit me up, dude. I'm always keeping an eye on Discord. I'll help you out with your little WordPress bugs and stuff. It's buggy if you don't know what you're doing. Java? It's just all vanilla JavaScript. So, technically a form of Java. Technically. Yeah, I like that song. I don't know, I just had it in my head. Like I said, I was watching my wife play Black Myth Wukong. And, I don't know, there was just some music in the background, and it just kind of like, the melody kicked into my head. I was like, I gotta do this. So I started playing it on we have a little stand-up grand in another room. And I was playing, and I was like, okay, now I have to record this. And then I just started scoring it. Yeah, that made me happy. Oh, I did not mean to click that. Well, here it is, though. This is my score. I don't think I'm connected, though. Oh, yeah, I am. I just wish this keyboard wasn't so small. It's good for recording stuff, though. Alright, enough of that. For some reason, my foolproof logic isn't working. My guess is that... I mean, I'm just trying to make sure the static... I mean, the static has to exist. Let's see what we're getting here. I mean, maybe this is just not doing what we want. We'll do a little troubleshooting. Just sub, tell ya. I stream every day of the week, Monday through Friday. Usually from like 10:30 to like 12:30. Just a couple hours. Eastern time. I'm on the Eastern time zone. I'm in Michigan, in the U.S. The fuck? We got ads on Twitch. But yeah, appreciate the sub, man. Hang out, talk, ask questions. I'm an open book, except for current projects. I don't talk about current work, but I do talk about everything else. Hey! Ah, Game Doodle. Did somebody give you a sub? Somebody gifted you a sub, didn't they? Oh no, you subbed, didn't you? You did like a Prime sub? Man, you gotta see those ads. Gotta make me that cash. Welcome, Game Doodle. How are the Flex Keys treating you? Speaking of Flex Keys, we gotta talk about our sponsor today. No, it's not the hat. Today's sponsor is... Flex Keys. Get yours today. Look at my hand. Look how strong my fingers look. If your fingers don't look that strong, this strong, then you're not using Flex Keys. And that means that your goddamn weak little fingers can't type and program like I can. Just got so aggressive at the end. Buy them. They come in all colors. You want red ones with white buttons? Fucking do it, dude. I don't care. They're $4.99. Your ring finger is so weak. See? Now you can literally just work on your ring finger. Your thumb, a little weak thumb, and you need to be able to click really quickly for some reason. Do it. Get 2. Get 10. You know? They're so cheap. You can't afford not to buy them. Look at the white. Look at white on white. Can't even see it. Alright, enough of our sponsor. I love sponsoring my own videos. Speaking of which, I just went like full on out on the merch today wearing it. I couldn't help it. This new hat, the embroidered logo is just so cool. Do you have any retro pixel style site made? I like I'm doing? Like a, what do you mean a pixelized style site? I mean, this is my site, orbmortar.com. This is live right now. You could play this game. But I don't do freelance work. So I don't have like a lot of live sites out there right now. I work for giant corporations and do enterprise level WordPress programming for like big websites. Like for like Disney, when I was working for, I did a Harry Potter site for Warner Brothers. I worked on the Carrie Underwood site for Universal, investors.com, you know, giant websites that are very dangerous to push code to. Multiplayer game? Technically. I just haven't enabled the WebSocket. I have it though. I even keep it at the top of the code right here just because I want to enable it. I tested this out a while ago and I was able to, this right here, I was able to have two different people with two different WordPress accounts playing in the same game and walking around. And as long as you were in the same area, you were in the same area, because the game has multiple areas. Like in this one here, like you can walk to different areas in the game, and but if you're in the same area, you could like cross paths. It was really fun. So I will definitely be creating a specific multiplayer game based in the Orbem universe. It's going to be Cannith Village. The Canniths are like wolf humanoid creatures that are pretty integral part to the storyline. Like, you know, one of the main characters is a Cannith, and so you're going to be able to live in the village, do stuff, walk around, interact with other people, that kind of stuff. So, but this game is very laser focused on the actual storyline. So while it's pretty open and you'll be able to do a lot of things in it, like mini games and whatnot, and fight bosses, you know. What if my problem is my fingers just randomly dislocating? Oh God. I have one solution for that, BD Turtle, and that's flex keys. In fact, I only have one solution for all your finger problems. Whether it solves them, you know, another story. Maybe. It might solve them. And I do not make any medical claims. I only make awesome claims. That you're going to be at least 50% awesomer if you're playing with your flex keys on a regular basis. Symptoms of awesomeness involve badass look, super cool chill vibe, and they really do give you a nice little stretch on your fingers. I mean, I've battled carpal tunnel a little bit just from decades of being a programmer, and I mess around with these a lot more, and it really kind of like warms up my hands and my fingers before I like have a full day, and it's just fun. See, Game Doodle, and he doesn't even want to brag, but he's 124% more awesomer because he bought two. So don't forget. Question. Sabson has, where are you searching for good pics? Backgrounds where you can make example, pixelized profile, blah, 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 blah. What do you recommend? I mean, I'm a graphic designer, so I do create most of this art, you know, myself with a little bit of help from Midjourney. I'm not like amazing at it. I did create the whole background scene. I mean, it was on stream. I created this whole level, but a lot of these elements here I got from Midjourney, which I use through Discord. I did build this desk. I did build this table, and I built everything wall-wise here. But like the chair and some of these beakers, I built this computer from scratch. That came out pretty good, and this mouse. So I'm not completely useless. Midjourney? Yeah, I'll show you. Mid-journey. Oh, that was not what I meant to drag. I meant to drag you. Mid-journey. So, like, if I wanted, like, something I'm going to need is maybe like a pixel art style whiteboard on a wall with no background. You know? Something I wouldn't want to build myself. I mean, a whiteboard I'd probably build myself. It's actually pretty simple. But this would be where I'd go and generate like a basic version, and then I'd bring it into Photoshop and I'd make it work for me. This won't work for me just because, but like I would take this, you know, and kind of copy the, oh no, I would actually have to upscale this though. You can't just take this. So I'd upscale number 3, and then I take it and I copy it and I bring it into the map and I put it on this back wall right here. That might even work. I'll use Photoshop to remove background. Doesn't always work great, but for just fucking around, we could do like that. And the shadow's not horrible. I could get away with that. And then now we have a random ass bulletin board in the background. Why not? Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, something like that. And now it's part of the map. Yes. Midjourney costs money. I pay for a license. Nothing you do about it. It's a monthly thing. I use it pretty often for random projects. I like just getting ideas from it too, a lot of times. Sometimes I don't even use the images. But, yeah. No problem. God damn it, stop falling over. Okay. We need to fix this issue. Did I fix the issue? Let's see if I fixed it. I don't remember, actually. Go. Oh, it worked. Kinda. Unfortunately, it's like I have 2 bodies now. Because what's happening is it's leaving the static image there. It is working though. It's not walking anymore. But I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to fix that now. At least he's not walking now. Yeah. Yeah, now the static image is kind of chilling there, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Well, let's just go back. Okay. So yeah, this is fine. It's working. Actually, fuck, why is it working? Whatever, it's working. I think I was trying to troubleshoot it, but it works now. Okay. Cache. It's always cache. If it's not working and it works, it's cache. Is it turn-based, event-driven, or other? No. It's like a you can fight kind of game. So like it's more of like story based. So this is the local version where I was kind of testing out all the functionality and building some of the talking and stuff. But like if I can get this to restart, which it's a little tricky sometimes. This is the starting intro video and music. Orbem presents. Yeah, we'll skip this. So when you start, you know, you have like interactions, you can read signs, you can you can collect things. I can't go through there anymore. You can talk to him.
Hey, Mr. Salverson.
I use
Hey.
Google Text-to-Speech API. Yeah, exactly. And I can punch this plant. Punch! And it gives me points. And I can go ahead. What the fuck is undefined array key right punch? Oh, I didn't. Did I not set that? What the hell? Undefined Reiki right punch. I'm pretty sure that exists. I'm definitely breaking things. What did I do? I love how the intro music starts. Oh no, see I have coordinates. So wait, why does it keep going starting a new game? Oh, okay, it's not. You're not boring. More questions. When I bought web hosting, I got WordPress on it. Hell yeah. My question is, can my free tool do everything? Edit footer, header, simple JS, or must I pay for it? No, WordPress is just a platform. You can do whatever you want on it. So, I mean, you can install third-party plugins, third-party themes, and, you know, edit the site to look however you want, even without touching code, technically. If you want something really custom, though, that's when you're going to get into needing someone to help you program it, right? 1901. The fuck you talking about, 1901? Huh? How is this not a thing? Right punch. How do I not have right punch? I definitely uploaded right punch. So yeah, you could definitely... WordPress, you can build the site. If you're paying for hosting in the domain, you can build a site completely for free. Just go and install a third-party theme that you like that looks good. Fill out all the content. Do all the editing. It's usually in the customizer, which is under appearance, customize. And, you know, I have a custom theme, so I don't have a bunch of settings, but like homepage settings, you know, background image for the background. These are kind of like default things. Site identity, my favicon and stuff. Those are all handled there. Where's my right punch? It's right here. The fuck you talking about? Right punch doesn't exist. Did I name it wrong? No, I didn't. Right punch. So what the fuck are you talking about? Undefined array key, right punch. You're a liar. I don't like liars. Did I spell this wrong? What did I do wrong? Left punch, right punch. That's how you spell right. Did I spell it wrong somewhere else? Right punch. Right punch. That's correct. Right punch. Right punch is right there. Right punch. What the hell? Okay. Well. Right. Yeah, no, it's definitely there. What the hell? Let's troubleshoot this, I guess. I mean, I don't want to fucking send this up to production broken. I just don't get why it's broken. Punch, all the punches are gone. Why? Why did I lose all my punches? They're not. I mean, they're right here, so that's really weird. Where is my var dump? Array size 1, blop, array size 13. We have static, static up. Everything's here. Static down. Down punch. Where's right punch? Left punch. Right punch. It's right here. Why? What the fuck are you talking about? Undefined array key when it's right here. Maybe it's just where I'm getting this. Oh, maybe it's for another character. What's the initiator of this function? It's explore something or other. Template loader. Call stack. It is explore PHP, so that's mine. Oh wait, that's mine. Am I screwing it up here? Yeah, because it's just part of the for each. Fight image. So I'm trying to grab it here. Well, no, I'm calling them up here though. Get it? Yeah, get character images. Huh. Maybe the internet has gained sentience data. Apparently. I wouldn't doubt it. Yeah, it shouldn't matter. This is the main character. Get character images. Dump main character info. See if we can just break this shit so I can see what's going on. Character images. Everything is here. Direction images. What? Everything is here. It's calling it in two different places. But they're both here. Weird. Why am I calling it here too though? Oh, from the class. Yeah. Weird. Fucking weird. Okay, well, fuck you, I guess. I don't know. That's really weird. Maybe this is... No. I don't know. That's really weird. These errors confound me. In fact, let's restart the game again. I gotta restart my fucking environment. Something is seriously weird. Maybe. Call me maybe, yeah. Oh good, I'm muted. I don't know why, but that's good. Wait, what? How did it unmute itself? It's sentient, like you said. Alright, hold on. Let's get rid of var dumps. Oh, okay. Right here. And let's do skip, start. Is it still up there? It is. Why am I walking on a PHP error? And what caused this? It's not just right punch. It's other things. What the hell? Where did these come from? These came from... Because I know my shit's loading. Fine. But I don't get why it's considering them not here when I'm var dumping them everywhere and they are here. It's never ending, man. Never fucking ending. And I can't even find the goddamn errors. Hold on. Undefined. There we go. So this is here. We have so all of these are undefined, apparently. Alright, fuck it. I mean, we just need to do a check. That's fine, I guess. Whatever. This'll have to do. Actually, let's see if that even helps. I don't think it will, actually. So wait, we're on up punch right now. Let's refresh. And is up punch gone? Undefined. Down punch. Up punch. Oh, punch. No, I think we fixed it. Alright, we'll just do that. Fuck it. We'll just check if they exist, and then if not, we'll just make them nothing. I don't know why. I mean, it's just good practice to not just pull out fucking array. I think, but these should exist. And I know they exist, and they do exist, because it wouldn't be showing otherwise, but whatever. We'll just do a little bit of a PHP 8 shorthand. And Asher fixed the errors. Ta-da! Error-free is the way to be. Punch! Okay, punching is still leaving like a weird static shadow. Which works when you let go. But doesn't work when you don't let go. You see? Now we have static in front of me. So what I need to do is make sure that static is not the status if you're still walking. I just haven't done that yet. So let's make sure we change this. It seems to be working though. So where are we doing this? We're doing this here. We're setting this as true. And then I need to make sure I can set it as false if I'm not static. And I don't know how to do that. Change the static image. Because this is part of a key up. Right. That's the thing though. It should only... Oh. I bet first time I do it, it won't break. Because then it won't be set to true. So if I do this... Yeah. So I can do this because it hasn't been set to true yet. But if I do it again... Now I have a second image. Okay. So this is working fine. I just need to make sure once it's set, it can be unset again. In fact, let's just unset it right away. We only need to set for a second, right? Yeah, I might as well, shit. So many set timeouts. Don't worry about me, dude. If you think too many set timeouts is a problem, then you don't know what problems are. So aggressive. Alright, here we go. We'll set this to false. Because really all it's for is for when There we go. Don't worry about it. Don't ask questions. Don't worry about it. I know. I'll just never replace the cable, but I need to replace the cable. It's so stupid. I don't know if it's because I have it set up on this like arm and it's kind of wrapped around the arm and maybe got pinched or something, but fuck, they're short on this mic. Sometimes it's really quick and sometimes it's very slow to fix. And in that time, it took a very long time and I'm not happy about it. But I don't remember what I was saying and I don't care. Maybe I was trying to explain why this is going to work now. Well, punching doesn't work anymore. It only works when I am... Okay, so we need to... Yeah, I was trying to do this. Where we're setting the timeout. So even if it's set to true, it won't be true for long. Did I ever compile that? Because it doesn't look like it worked. Thanks, Frag, by the way. Appreciate you. Okay. Can I punch? Yes, I can punch. Can I punch if I walk up? Yes, I can. There is a little bit of delay now when I let go. And so I'm not able to punch for half a second, basically. But I can punch while I'm walking. I can punch when I let go. Generally, this is working. I wonder if I can get away with changing it to 200 milliseconds. Because I know it's about half a millisecond when walking happens. Seems to still be working. There's still a little bit of a lag when I let go and want to punch, but how often do we want to do that? Hey, Mr. Soverson. He's going to turn to a cookie. How did I know that? Oh, now he's the Discord symbol. Don't worry about it. Okay. Punch, 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 punch. There's also this, like, image lag, which I'm guessing is from the set timeout when it switches back when you're punching. So still a little bit of bugs, but we definitely have punching logic in place. We can fix the, you know, the images going white and probably could find a better solution for this. I mean, I might be able to even make those 100 milliseconds for all I know. Just so it switches back right away when you let go. Because it basically just needs to be like, pop, real quick and make you static. So like, this should still work. So it's like this. No, it didn't work. So it looks like I still need this. Let's actually switch it back to 500. Because I don't know if I actually tested that properly. Yeah, see, it actually, that didn't fix it. Now that I think about it. Yeah, it's still doing the walking thing. So it must be getting... Yeah, this always worked, actually. It was the let go and click. Oh, wait. Let go and click. Wait, what? No, yeah, it's click and then let go. So... that means that this needs to be even higher. I mean, what if I make like a fucking second? Like, I don't switch it off. Did it ever work? Maybe I was never testing it properly. That would be a bummer. No. Yeah, see, look, it's still doing it. Even with a second. So, shit. I don't actually know if this fixed it in the first place. Hold on. the whole point was when I let go, switch this, so switch it to static. Okay, so that did work. It's just my set timeout thing is not working. I still have the double image. Okay. Well, the fix is still good. The only problem now is that we need to get rid of the static image when we're punching, which will make things nice and complicated. Anyways, hey, I think we've had a really productive Friday Eve. And I really appreciate everybody who's jumped on today. YouTube Shorts live feed coming out strong. We got Sabson, you know, coming back and asking some great questions. Albert Williams hanging out like a pro. And then Frag at the end, giving me some good mic shout outs. ANS, appreciate you jumping on as well. And Vajra, loved the questions about the game earlier in the stream. And then Game Doodle coming in strong. And Speedy Turtle, always floating around my head, as usual. Fantastic to have you here. And yeah, man, I think, you know, we had Dak Dude and Indy made a quick hello and took the top spot. Did Off the Bed come today? Shit, I actually don't remember. Copacetic Observer came by for a bit. What up, Copacetic? If you're still here, miss you, man. Prod Fishy, that was a good one. I think we got a new cool project with Likely. Prod Fishy and Seashell hanging out like a pro. Haven't seen you in a while. Book title again? It's Orbem. Is that what you're wondering? The Harmonian Chronicles is the series, but yeah, it's Orbem. Orbem's the first book. Book 1, Orbem. Miropelia is book 2. They both have audiobooks. Fantastic narrator, Jacob McNabb. He fucking kills it, and I really hope I can get him to do book 3 and 4. I know he's kind of taking a break from book narrating these days, but yeah, fantastic. And I think everybody here that's read Orbem and Miropelia can attest to that, especially if they listen to the audiobook. But it's a fun story, you know? Not too hard. I'm not a super, you know, a literacy major or anything like that, so I don't overwrite my books. I get to the point. A lot of humor. I'm not a very serious person, so anybody who wants to take a chance on Orbem and Miropelia, now's the time before it becomes a movie. You never know. And if you are a movie producer, please, or you know somebody, make sure they read it, because I need that. I'd like to stop working full time. Yeah, but the game's coming along. Unfortunately, I'm fucking making it more complicated now that I want it to be a production game and have the demo working. I now notice all the shit that I kind of half-assed, like punching and walking, very, very minimal things, and how you interact with things. I keep getting more ideas, so we'll get there though. So stay tuned. If anybody hasn't already, follow, subscribe, because like I said, I do this every week, and it's a lot of fun. I like doing it with other people. You know what I mean? It's boring when you're alone, and you guys are amazing. And feel free to reach out on Discord as well. I will 100% respond if I see it. And don't forget about the amazing rando merch. Yeah, at this point it's more support than it is you guys getting super cred from your buddies, but Flex Keys. And don't forget our sponsor of the day, Flex Keys. Flex your fingers. Get flexing. Start flexing. Fidget your way to success. We'll get a tagline for that. But don't forget that orbemortar.com Orb Mortar is trademarked. We will be selling on Amazon soon. But until then, you know, get all your cool fucking items here. I'll be posting a lot more of the products too that I have. Hey, Indy, making a last minute appearance. You got a print copy? Hell yeah, Albert. The art is amazing. I did all the chapter icons in book 2. Book 1, I had an Italian artist do them, and I kind of just wanted a different feel for book 2. So, but there's a map in the first print edition too that's really fun to look at, and yeah, it's cool. It's a cool experience having the actual book. I have a bunch of them here, so. You thought I was a different guy because of the hat? I know, man. Hey, get your Orb Mortar hat, Indy. What are you thinking? While you're drinking your Orb Mortar water bottle, playing with your Orb Mortar flex keys, you need a hat and a long sleeve sweatshirt. I'm tired. Where do I get the best kickbacks? Probably, I'm guessing from my shop on orbemortar.com. But I mean, I also have a Patreon. You just fucking be a member and you get whatever I think I only offer like the music that's not available online. I also have some things you can buy. Sorry for being so late. I was watching a movie and I took off the front glass of my iMac in preparation of hacking the EFI chip to put Linux on it. Whatever, man. None of that matters to me. I'm just glad you came back. And I hope the movie was good. Or other site. Oh, yeah. To buy the book. Yeah, the book is Amazon exclusive, so it doesn't matter. You can buy it on Amazon. But, I mean, if you click the link from the website, I think it gets like an extra like affiliate link or something like that. So, yeah, feel free to do that. Like the one on the homepage. Or is this? This might be Miropelia, actually, the one on the homepage. I don't remember. And it goes away. Yeah, don't worry about it. Amazon, it's the same kickback. Appreciate it, though. I really appreciate you picking up the print copy. Indy's got some print copies. Game Doodle has some print copies as well. Man. Good stuff. You're all the best, honestly. That's why I keep coming back every day. I could just be building this game, you know, in the comfort of my own home without looking at a camera. But it's a lot more fun with you guys. So, hey, have a great Friday Eve. It is now Friday officially for me. And if it is for you, fucking have an amazing day. And I will catch you all. Actually, I think we're actually going to raid somebody because we got a handful of people on Twitch for once. Usually I end up with nobody towards the end. So let's figure out who we want to bombard with 7 viewers. I'm guessing it's going to be Jedum. We love some Jedum. We're going to go to Australia. Albert, I appreciate your energy as well. And hey, don't be a stranger. Maybe jump on the full-size YouTube so we can get your messages up on the board. I do both. I simulcast. And have a great night, everybody. I will definitely catch you. I mean, I'll probably catch you tomorrow. It's very rare that I jump off. You got to use your Arduino and put some bytes in the chip. Nice. Well, don't worry about it. Indy, everybody. Catch you on the next one. Goodbye. I'm raiding somebody.